Hi everyone, my name is Vinit Kumar. Now here I am going to explain how to host our local JSON server into hosting platform. So here I used hosting platform name is Render. So before going to host, we need to know what is JSON server and why we need to host that server. So JSON server is a tool that allows you to create fake REST APIs and it is useful for testing front-end applications without needing a build a real backend. So why we need to host this server into hosting platform? So without hosting, we can access only in our local system. We cannot access in another systems. So if we host in any other platform, so we can access, everyone can access. So let's get started. So before going to host, we need to check that server is working fine or not in our local. So that's why here I am creating one folder. That name is, here I am taking JSON hosting, and also in this folder here I am creating one file that name is db.json. So in this file, this JSON file acts as a database. So I have, in this file I am going to add some data. So I have already add data. I'm copying and pasting here. So after that we need to install in this folder package.json. So that's why here we need to open this folder in integrated terminal, and also here we need to write one command that name is npm init. So this command is used to create the package.json file. So we can see here that package.json file is created, and also after that we need to install server. So that's why here I am writing another command. So it will take some time. So after installing the all packages, we need to some changes in our package.json file. So let's see in our package.json file. So in place of test, we need to write some other comment like, and also we need to add another dependency. So before going to host, we need to push our code into GitHub. So that's why here I am creating one. I'm creating one repository in my GitHub account. Here I'm giving the repository name. After creating the repository, we need to enter some commands to push our code. So here I'm entering the commands git init. So this is for initializing the git, and git add. This is the adding the files into the repository, and here giving the commit. There's some data add. After that we need to add the origin. So here I'm copying from here. Then last command is git push origin master. So we can see in our GitHub repository file, our code is here. So then now here I am using the render hosting platform. So if we are using first time, we need to log in, and here I am already login. So here I am going to dashboard. In place of new, click on web service. If you are using first time, so we need to connect with GitHub here I already connected through my GitHub. So this is my JSON server API. This is the repository. So I'm clicking on the this repository. So this is the name, and here we need to select this node only. This is the branch of our GitHub URL. And also here in place of yarn we need to write npm, and also here we need to write npm start, and also click on free. So before going to deploy, check for this npm install npm start. Let's see if we are get any errors or not. Here we can see our logs. So it will take some time to deploy. So we successfully deployed our JSON file into this render platform. Here we can see so our data is deployed in render platform. So here we can see our data. So yeah, this is all about hosting our JSON server into render platform. Thank you for watching.